There are a lot of tricks and hacks that we can use to make our work a lot easier in Microsoft Office programs. MBA students at KFA Business School have been learning such tricks and tactics under the iEvolve series pillar, which has helped them excel in their education as well as professional life. In this video, we'll learn how to transpose Excel data from rows to columns or vice versa. If you have a worksheet with data in columns that you need to rotate to rearrange it in rows, use the transpose feature. With it, you can quickly switch data from columns to rows. Here's how to do it. Select the range of data you want to rearrange, including any row or column labels, and press Ctrl C. Choose a new location in the worksheet where you want to paste the transpose table, ensuring that there is plenty of room to paste your data. The new table that you paste there will entirely overwrite any data or formatting that's already there. Right click over the top left cell where you want to paste the transpose table. Then choose the transpose option. After rotating the data successfully, you can delete the original data and the data in the new table will remain intact. Thank you for watching this video.